our channel. If you're new, please smash that like button and turn on notifications on to never miss a boy. And instead of that, let's play Flood Escape. Oh, I really like this game. Good times, man. I barely even won anything. Oh shit. See it. I'm actually kind of bad at this game. Like, I have played this game before, but never on camera. Like, I'm so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! I'm gonna do medium instead. I really like this game so far. Like, so far, it's like one of the best. Crap. I'm screwed. Hell yeah, boy. Do it! Oh no! No! This is sad. Sad life, man. Why the hell, man, bruh? Wow. Well, I barely even played it, so it makes sense. Like, bruh. The game has ended, baby. Like, I normally would have played the second one. Like, the second one was better, but I didn't really care. Like, also follow me on Twitter, because I haven't even, like, I am actually gonna post some shit. Like, yeah, boy. Shit. Why did I do that? I'm so stupid. Let's do this. Like, you get instantly die by the water. But if you're also new, like, let's drop a like if you want. Let's do easy this time because, you know, I'm actually gonna climb with the ladder. I'm gonna climb on the ladder, bitch. You can call me the pro, bitch. Yay, bro! I should do better than this. I'm a pro, bruh. I'm a pro at easy mode, but that doesn't even tolerate in the 10 nation. See it. No! No! Come on! Damn it! There should be more people. Where? Fuck! But I'm not that good at the game. Please wait for me. No! Now let's go, baby. I want to actually do this glitch. Ah, the camera is kind of inverted. Oh shit. The hell? I want to actually glitch in. Let's do this. Let's do this, baby. Let's do this. Oh, what the fuck? My god. This is a bit hard. This kind of sucks. He's using only gravity coil. The gravity coils are so cheap. But I would afford it too, bruh. Like, I would get it too, but I'm poor with Robux. No, I'm poor with Robux. What the? Is there any game passes? Like, it has been a while since I played this. Oh my god. Then I gotta actually go to hard mode. But I don't have any game passes, so I wouldn't win that much. Oh no. Well, this is gonna be the last round, I think. So yeah, let's win this. Oh crap. No. Oh no. I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. But I am good with small jumps. Yeah, boy. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. Get him. This is gonna be easy. Oh crap. Never mind. This is not easy. Oh wait, never mind. I should do good. Well, sorry Pro Squad. And also, if you're new, please smash that like button and turn on notifications on to never miss a one. And sorry if this is short. Like, this is just a weekend. Like, I only upload in a weekend. So, yeah, guys. Peace, mates.